Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are enjoying well. So today I am here to present you an interesting topic like design process. That how do you design? We shall discuss in this article how can you design or how do you design. So let's see. How we design the teacher arranging desks for discussion. Their results differ, so their goals, so do the scales of their projects and the media they use. Even their actions appear quite different. What's similar is that they are designing. Our processes determine the quality of our products. If we wish to improve our products, introduction, and then we have origins, Meyer toys, cut ones, radium fire, contents we have, and in next design process. Introducing process. What is a process? So process archetype we have in this article on the infinite expandability of process models. Design process archetype analysis synthesis, problem solution, expanding the two-step process, matching process to project complexity, unself-conscious and self-conscious design, analysis, synthesis, evaluation, and then oscillation. We have programming and designing, and then the next topic in this article, diverge, converge versus narrow or expand, then decomposition, recombination, so dynamics of divergence and convergence. Overall, the design process must converge. Gradual shift to focus from analysis to synthesis. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Allah Hafiz.